OMG, it's a talking garden.
Mr. Ritz, I'm not a talking garden. I'm a tower garden. I grow fresh fruits and vegetables all year long.
Awesome! Look at all these beautiful plants, Leslie.
Ooh!
I love shopping for plants and nutrients and supplies for my classroom. I can't wait to buy everything and fill up my classroom with plants too. Ooh, the garden center makes me so happy.
Mr. Ritz, remember the lesson we did on budget?
Oh, yes, Leslie. I remember that lesson. I promised to work within my budget. There are so many beautiful plants here. I want one of everything.
Yes, Mr. Ritz, Leslie is right. We must plan accordingly. Let's look at all the plants first, and then make a list. Remember our shopping list? We want plants that can grow all year long. We want edible plants. And of course, we want vegetable plants that have flowers, so I can invite all my bee friends from the hive to visit. And we want plants that can live inside of the classroom that children will want to take care of.
And plants that bring me lots of yummy aphids, too. Ooh, and I hope you get some of my favorite, Mr. Ritz. Basil.
Both of you are correct. I'm glad you're here shopping with me to make this the most fruitful experience for everyone.
Mr. Ritz, are you trying to be funny?
Whoa! There's so much to look at. I definitely want variety, something easy to maintain, something child-friendly, something that can help me teach my students, and grow lots of food at the same time.
And stays within your budget, Mr. Ritz.
Yes, Leslie, stays within my budget.
I'll scout ahead and buzz around the room and see what I can find for you, Mr. Ritz.
Great! And thank you, Great Bombini. You are man's best pollinator friend. How will I ever decide which to choose from? I wonder, what is that tall, glowing thing over there with a ring of leafy greens and herbs growing in the corner?
Let's go take a look, Mr. Ritz.
Leslie, Great Bombini, look at this device over here. It seems to have plants growing up into the sky, right out of the sides of it. Why, I've never seen anything like this before. This is amazing. I wonder what it is, and I wonder how it works.
Whoa! Mr. Ritz, did that thing just giggle?
I heard it too. What is that sound? It sounds like running water.
Why, hello, Mr. Ritz. It's wonderful to meet you. I've heard so much about you, and I love watching your show.
OMG, it's a talking garden. Leslie, Great Bombini, I've never seen anything like this in my life. Have you?
Mr. Ritz, I'm not a talking garden. I'm a tower garden. I grow fresh fruits and vegetables all year long, and I'm so happy to meet you.
A tower garden? Ooh. Students, I wonder, why do you think it's called a tower garden? Do you have any ideas? Let's investigate.
Well, it is a tower.
That grows fruits and vegetables, just like a garden. So, a tower garden.
That makes sense to me.
That's exactly right. I'm a tower garden, a type of vertical aeroponic garden. I use 90% less water and 90% less space than traditional soil agriculture.
Whoa! Big word alert. Tower garden. What does aeroponics mean?
Aeroponics is a type of agriculture where plants are grown without any soil, just drops of water that contain all the nutrients they need.
Wow, how does that work?
Here, why don't you take a look?
Let's investigate.
Here, let me help.
Well, there's my reservoir, which can hold up to 20 gallons of water filled with nutrients that plants need to grow big, strong, and beautiful. And in that reservoir is a pump, which pushes water and nutrients all the way to the tippy top of my tower. All that water rains down over the roots of the plants, feeding them those nutrients along the way.
Wow! That's so cool, Tower Garden. And you've got so many... What are these things called?
Growing ports.
Thank you. You've got so many growing ports for plants to grow.
I wonder how many there are. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 28.
That's right. I've got 28. But some of my cousins have fewer, and some of my cousins have more. It depends on how tall we are.
And tell me, what happens to the water after it rains down on all the roots?
Most of the water drips back down to the reservoir, and then the whole cycle starts over again.
That is a very good magic trick.
Thanks! Oh, and these are my lights, which provide all the plants in my growing ports with enough light to grow and make delicious, nutritious fruits and vegetables. With these lights, you can grow anywhere indoors.
I think I'm in love! This is perfect for my classroom. Wait, Tower Garden, can children take care of you?
Why, of course, Mister Ritz. Children love me, especially Great Bronx Machine students. Students love growing cherry tomatoes, strawberries, basil, and lots of other delicious and nutritious fruits and vegetables, and watching them grow in class. And sometimes they enjoy eating those fruits and vegetables.
Delicioso! Great Bombini! Leslie, what do you think?
I can teach all about pollination.
And these lights allow us to grow plants throughout the school year, all year long, indoors. And they make it easy for me to spot aphids.
You can even move me outdoors in summer. Did you know thousands of schools and tens of thousands of families have a tower garden?
I can't wait another moment, Tower Garden. We've got to get you to my classroom quick.
I can help with that.
The next thing I need to do is to make sure teachers everywhere know how to use the Tower Garden. Not only how to grow fresh fruits and vegetables, but to help teachers teach all subject areas using the Tower Garden as a tool. Plus, you get a classroom full of food every 7 weeks. This is going to be awesome!
Sounds like you're talking about a whole school curriculum. Green Bronx Machine style, Mr. Ritz.
Indeed, I am.
Sounds like there will be many seasons of adventures and learning here, Mr. Ritz.
I'm so glad the Bronx is my new home.
Yes, and I'm so excited to have teachers and students use the Green Bronx Machine classroom curriculum and watch all of our videos.
I will make sure my whole hive subscribes to Green Bronx Machine Kids on YouTube.
Mr. Ritz, I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited to partner with you and share all about the Green Bronx Machine curriculum and programming.
The results will be magic.
Together, we can inspire healthy living, healthy learning, and help people everywhere grow fresh fruits and vegetables all year long.
Me too, and I can't wait to get growing with all of you.
And best of all, it's within our budget.
Yes, Leslie, it is. Take care, Great Bombini, and I'll see you soon, students. Stay tuned and subscribe. Subscribe today to Green Bronx Machine Kids on YouTube. See you soon. To bring the magic of the Green Bronx Machine classroom curriculum and Tower Gardens to your school, home, or community setting, go to our website today.